Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Vecna from Stranger Things. The skin's appearing in Fortnite at the moment. I thought I'd do an upper body shot. So I'll capture the head there, the hand coming over this way and the upper torso. So if I go up to where the head area will be here, I'm going to draw his nose in first. So the nose kind of comes out, it's like a triangle on either side. So I'm going to just draw a line down here. Just down that way there. And on the other side as well. So little lines, got a little bridge in the middle of the nose there. So after those two lines, what I'm going to do is sort of just create a little triangular area. Just colour that in there. And on this side, come down, come out kind of that way. Bring it in there. So we've got that triangular nose. Now around that, I'm just going to kind of just draw in nice and loose, some little lined elements around that. Now I've got that bit in, what I'm going to do is I'll draw a little bit of an angry brow. So the nose kind of comes up this way, little angry little folds just around here. And then he's kind of got little brows here. So I'm going to draw in a little angry start of his brow. And then I'm going to just come around this way. Draw the brow, it doesn't come up too high, but just the brow comes around. Kind of there. And then under here comes around there, around that point there. So just nice curve over. See, it's just that little bit angry, okay? Let's put the eyes in underneath. So there's just little ovals either side. This one is a little bit bigger. So let's just go in here, just get in, just that hint of an oval at the bottom there. Maybe just draw in a little line underneath just to give it a bit of texture. And on this side, I'm gonna come out, I'm gonna kind of draw an oval around this way. Around there, around like that. And I'm just gonna come underneath that bit there, just give it almost like little bags under there. Cool, okay. Now I've got that bit in. I'm gonna come down from this nose area. There's a little line coming down to the mouth like that. Just keep this nice and loose. I've got a little mouth, his lips are kind of pursed. So I'm just gonna sort of draw a little line out there and under this way here. Just come out down there. And then just a hint of a lip underneath, so just gonna just draw an element under there. Cool, okay. So I've got those main facial features in. There's a lot of sort of withered skin all going around there, but I think it might be pretty cool to get the rest of his outer face in. So it's got his obviously quite pronounced cheekbones either side. So on the left here, I'm gonna come around, just sort of draw in a little cheekbone. And on this side, same sort of thing on either side. So we've got those sort of really nice high cheekbone elements. What we're going to do is come down this way, just come down to a chin area here. So chin's quite square actually, but curves all the way down to about this point here. So just going to go nice and loose. Just bring your pen down, doesn't have to be a straight line, to a chin area, come around this way here. And then we're going to come back up here, we're going to curve it up, upwards to here, just past where we're drawing that cheekbone. Just come upwards. Just get it to hit that area there. See, we're just getting that together now. Now there's a little hint of ears sort of that just pop out sort of as part of the skin. So I'm gonna come up from this cheekbone here. I'm gonna just sort of raise it out and then come in. And same over here. I'm just gonna come outwards, just a tad in there. Then I'm gonna draw his bald head around here. So I'm gonna come just clip that ear area there. I'm gonna come upwards, curve it around to the top there. Then I'm gonna come around this way, so just continue that line. Nice and loose. Just have fun with your picture. Come around here, down there, there we go. We've got that initial head in there. Now what I'm going to do next is just draw that neck area. He's got a really thick neck coming around this way. And his torso sort of facing down here, hand over this way. So first of all, where I've got that little gap there, I'm just going to come outwards. Just draw his real strong neck sort of coming down that way there. And there's just a bit of a hint, the shoulder coming over that way. And on this side, that neck is still pretty thick, but it comes out probably from about here. So I'm just going to sort of draw a really thick necked area there. cool. Now he's got that really craggy skin all around his shoulders and things. So I'm gonna sort of draw where the collarbone is, it pops out, comes around like that. Then where the shoulder is here, it really sort of ridges up and down, sort of like quite rocky. So I'm gonna come out, point it up and down, wiggle the pen so you've got that nice texture of his shoulder there. Now just in here we've got his chest area, probably starts about here, and again it sort of wiggles. It's not as pronounced as the shoulder area, but it does sort of come down about here and come into a bit of a rib cage. So I'm gonna just bring it in a bit there, crags out a bit, and it kind of comes in. There's little vein areas that pop out, so I'm just gonna put a few little ridges in there. You can be nice and loose with this as it comes down to a torso area. It's almost like a little torso line here, and then kind of pops out at the hip, comes down this way. I'm going to taper it out just there. I'm just going to give a hint of the rest of his arm out down here. So where the shoulder ends here, just sort of bring it in a bit, and then I'm going to come out where the forearm will come out a bit. Just pop it out a bit and then taper in around there and then down there. Just let it sort of taper off there. Now his hand area is probably the trickiest bit now, so why not just go in there and start. So we've got this little point here. I'm going to come down and draw the gap between his first finger and his thumb. So I'm just going to draw a nice and loose, light, just a little curved line coming down this way, just across there. Now let's continue up this way. We've got this first finger, so it's coming up this way, and then there's a cool little nail of a point on the end of his finger. So I'm going to sort of come up and draw that first little ridge, kind of comes under there. Then the next one comes up, another little ridge, and we've got the sort of the end of his finger, the tip, comes upwards, and we've got a really nice little craggy nail coming out, and then we just need to pop it out a bit, like the wider part of the nail, sorry, the finger, and then we come down here like that. We'll just sort of bring it out here, the join between there, and we're going to come upwards again. So we're going to draw that first little part of the finger, second part coming up, little curve, and then the end of the finger sort of popping up, curves out, and we've got that nice little zaggy nail on there. Come around there, just curve around that top area there, and then we get a bit more straight down here, and then link up to the next finger there. Okay, the third finger's coming out around this way, a little bit shorter than this one, right? So we just come out, just draw a nice curve here, craggy sort of triangle for the nail, around there, down in there. Finally, the last nail sort of coming around this way. So I'm gonna sort of come a bit more further out this way, come out here, sort of curve it around there, just get that last little point of his nail in there, and then just make sure it's a little bit narrower there from the tip, come down to about here. Now the palm sort of goes around here, so I'm gonna come down this way, curve it around there, and then I'm going to draw sort of the ball of the palm and where the thumb goes. So that kind of comes out sort of around here, nice curve, sort of about there. Then we'll go in and draw that thumb. So I'm going to come out, first of all, it's fairly straight, and then we've got the tip of the thumb there. So we're going to really come outwards there, draw a real craggy little tip of his nail there, and then come back round and join up to where we first started. Great, okay. Just gonna pop a couple of little lines in there, a couple there, and then we just have one little one in there. And it's pretty cool, if we're just leaving a few little gaps, it just adds to the atmosphere of this character. Vecna's pretty cool to draw. Now, I'm gonna draw his upper forearm, the elbow's probably around here. So to get that feeling, I'm gonna come down where the wrist will be here, pop it out a bit, it's that craggy skin. And I'm gonna come down here to a elbow area there, then I'm gonna scoot round, nice chunky bit around there, and then just a hint of the upper arm or shoulder area there. And then what I need to do is just the last outer bit. I'm gonna come down from about here. Again, it's got that torso area, the ribs are probably about here, and then it tapers in sort of nicely there, coming down this way. So I've got that nice tapered area of the chest. Now, what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of detail and texture to him. So if we go up to the head, I'm going to continue where we sort of started here. I'm going to draw some little sort of scarred little bits, nice and loose with the pen, just loop it around. Want a lovely little bit of sort of scar texture, veins, sort of coming around here. Got that sort of crazy wiggly look. He's a baddie at the end of the day, so make him look pretty gruesome. And I've just got nice curves coming out, a few little lines just around the head. Where the nose is here, there's a few little lines in. Look at that cragginess. It kind of comes right around, curving around the eyes around there, and then scoots in, sort of the skin sort of puckers up where his face is there, his mouth around here, and just a little bit on the chin. Don't want to leave it out. Don't want to go too crazy, but I want to make sure we get some of those nice little ridges of texture around Vecna's face. Maybe a couple more in there. And you start just accentuate those little lines here, so we're not losing that kind of look on the eyes or the mouth. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. All right, just a little bit around here and there. On the neck, it's almost got like little sort of almost like veiny, bony bits that sort of pop down like that. So a couple of little sort of pipe lines, maybe another sort of scooting up around here. We've got some nice little ridges in the middle there, coming around. Yeah, that's good. It kind of scoots along this way here, around that neck area there. As we come into this shoulder area, there's a little bit sort of gristly muscle around this way. There we go, just draw around there. And then as we go down to his collarbone, it kind of tapers in where maybe his windpipe is, and comes to his pec area here, a few little ridges just around him. Nice little, few little curves, or like veiny little bits sort of come along, so don't be afraid to just sort of pop those in. A few little curves around that chest area. Get a bit more pronounced as we go down here, so you've almost got some little veiny bits sort of popping out. Just draw a little line, then go around the edge of it again. All around there. Sort of little veiny bits all around here. Nice little, looks like a bit of piping around him. Sort of viney, veiny, sort of Stranger Things vibe. It's pretty cool skin. Again, we can just go around the edge here and just wiggle around and sort of draw some little veins as we come down this way. Loads of great texture on this guy. Be really loose, just draw some little wiggly lines in. Smaller wiggly lines as we go along. It's a little hint of like abs here, so I'm just going to draw some little curved bits. Maybe like little chest area here as we go around. Little veins over there again. Just wiggle the pen around a little bit. It's amazing what that'll do. You see, we're just starting to build it up. Just a few little dots and dashes around him makes all the difference. And then this bit's quite shaded, so we're just going to sort of just give a little hint on the edge there. When I go and colour him up, I'm going to maybe make that area there a little bit darker. And just around here, maybe those veins are coming around here, popping around this way here. Yeah, it sort of like cuts out as we go down to the bottom there, like that. Just a bit on the arm now, so there's a big old vein here, so just wiggle the pen around, then join around it like that. Maybe there's another one coming around here. Just be really loose, have a bit of fun with it. It's just a drawing at the end of the day. You want it to have fun doing a bit of drawing. Just want to wiggle it around like that, and then just on this palm of the hand, maybe there's just a hint of a curve there, a few little lines. If you look at the inside of your hand, you'll see a few little lines in there, maybe just a few little dashes in there, just to give it a little bit of texture around, especially with around what we've got here. And then what I might just do is just get a slightly thicker pen. I'm just going to go around, just edge him a little bit, so make sure that those edged areas are nice and pronounced, and it will just really hit off against all those bits of detail that we've just drawn. So just go along those lines there if you can. So just really accentuates that body area there, just makes him pop a little bit more. just helps because there's so much detail on it. We don't want elements to get lost. So just sort of come along this bit here, around this bit of the arm here. Maybe just a hint of it coming around this way here. I don't want to lose too much of that, but sort of those nails and things, just want to make sure that they're nice and zingy. Getting there with the neck area. Then we'll just a hint on the edge there. I don't want to go too high up, but I do want to make sure just around this chin. Maybe I'll just fill it in a bit there. Come up there, just make sure we're plugging in. Yeah, don't want to go right to the top. Just make it thick enough in those areas. Maybe just a little hint around the eye area that you can just tell it's his eyes. The nose is good. Just bring out a few little bits there. And then finally, I think just a couple of little areas where we can just put a few little lines in where it's a little bit darker. Give it that comic-y kind of effect. A little bit of hatching just around some areas there. Just makes it really nice and effective. Could be really loose, it's not a problem. It's just adding that extra little touch now, just around here, maybe just by the chin, just a few little lines out on the edge there. And then as it comes along here, I think just this edge here, just draw some of these little lines in there. Yeah, it's that darker area around him here. It kind of continues down this way a bit. Nice. Okay, maybe just a couple just in here. And then I'm gonna have a little look, just have a bit of fun colouring him up in a minute. Just in this area down there. There we go. There we have it. There is Vecna from Stranger Things, also featuring in Fortnite at the moment. It's a pretty cool skin. Let me know what you think of the skin. Let me know who else I can keep on drawing. And I'll see you again soon on Art Draw. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon.